This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. We have some updates about the ongoing situation. We have sent police drones to your area in order to locate the creature, and we've been successful. Unfortunately, the creature caught the drone and destroyed it. Before the drone was destroyed, we have managed to capture something alarming. We have found multiple mouths with sharp teeth on its neck. The mouths were also screaming. Many citizens have reported hearing screams coming from outside. We recommend to use soundproof headphones or anything to block the screams, as we have received reports of people going insane. We also recommend to use the basement or attic as your shelter in case the creature gets inside your home. We are unfortunately completely clueless as to where the mouths came from. Our only theory is that the creature is somehow evolving. We are trying to contact the Anomaly Research Facility. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.